After Santosh Lat snapped at a Congress MLC Jakappa during the KDP meet, the BJP has now cited this one instance and has hit out at the Congress party, calling this meltdown anti-Dalit.
All right, for more on this, we have Rohini Swami live with us. Thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us, Rohini?
Well, this entire Dalit controversy or this talk around the Dalits has been on for some time now, where we've seen Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy also making statements saying that the Congress government and Siddaramaiah specifically are anti-Dalit. Now, this also specifically with this incident, here Jakappa was trying to speak at an event, at a meeting, which is the government meeting of the KDP meeting that is being held by Santosh Lat, who is also the Labour Minister. And while he was speaking, he said that Dalits are not being given. I'm trying to voice the concerns of the Dalits. Dalits are not being given a voice, to which Santosh Lat got quite furious. And he said, do not speak like that. The argument ensued. And when this argument went out of hand, that's when you can hear Santosh Lat saying, you may leave this meeting if you want to. And that's the entire issue is now being read and said that the Congress is anti-Dalit, is not letting a Dalit leader like Jakappa speak up, especially when he's voicing the concerns of the community. Now, let me tell you this quickly on a macro level, tell you that this entire debate about Dalits and how they're the backbone of Karnataka's, especially the politics here, and also the backbone of Karnataka itself, that also has been battered in terms of a lot of leaders saying that a Dalit person should be made a chief minister. Right now, they have a chief minister, that is Siddaramaiah, but he's also an Ahinda leader. But at the same time, a Dalit leader also should be looked, and it's only the Congress who can give a Dalit leader in the future. The BJP and the JDS, now they're NDA allies as well, they're attacking the Congress saying, what are you talking about when you're actually insulting leaders of your own kind and your own elected MLCs as well in public spaces, especially in such kind of meetings. So clearly here, what we are actually seeing is a new issue that is snowballing. On one hand, you have this entire debate on Dalits, on a Dalit chief minister taking the post. And if you remember, Satish Jarkioli, also known to be a strong Dalit leader from Karnataka, minister from the Siddaramaiah cabinet, also went and met the Congress High Command. And when he came back, also he said the issues have been resolved. Now, why I'm bringing this into picture is also because he himself had put his hat in the ring saying, who does not want to be a chief minister? Yesterday, Home Minister Dr. Parameshwara, who also belongs to the Dalit community, also said that a chief minister from a Dalit community is necessary. H.C. Mahadevappa, another close aide of Siddaramaiah, also saying so, also a Dalit leader. So clearly, this whole Dalit thing is not just a verbal spat, but a macro issue that is brewing in Karnataka.
Yeah, and expect this issue to grow further, especially given with the leadership tussle and speculations, the buzz around it, that's been unending.